Hello people, welcome to my channel, The Parallel Universe. Today I'm gonna talk about how to manifest anything with a manifestation box. So if you are a creative person, so this technique is just for you. Well, the law of attraction states that like attracts like. That means energy flows where the attention goes. Every time, no exceptions. Same with the manifestation box. It is a powerful tool that can bring your desires to life. The principle is quite simple. You choose a box, set an intention, and place things, pictures, words, objects in the box that you wish to see and manifest in your life. Now, I'm gonna give you 3 steps through which you can create your own manifestation box, which will help you to manifest your dreams. Step 1 is find a box of your choice. The very first step is quite simple yet obvious, that you have to find a box for yourself. So find your type of box, walk around your house, look around, or go to a store and find a box that resonates with you, that feels like your own. The box can be pretty much anything that feels good to you. A few examples of manifestation box are a shoe box, a wooden box, a tin box, a Tupperware, etc. Now I'm gonna show you my manifestation box. Here it is. It is a simple tin box. It is small and cute. Like, I love this box so much. It really pleases me when I look at it. It is already decorated, that's why I didn't change the way it looks. But you can personalize your box. You can adorn it with stickers and stuff. Just like this, find a box that you like, and remember, the law of attraction works better when you feel good while using it. So if you are looking at a box that sparks some kind of joy in your heart, then that's the box you need to use. Now step 2 is to set an intention for your manifestation box. After finding a pretty box that makes you feel good, the next thing you need to do is to set the intention of your box. Whenever you put something in the box, you have to say the words, "Whatever this manifestation box contains is gonna come into my reality. I'm attracting all of the things that is present inside the box." You have to say these words. Also, you can write it in your most beautiful handwriting or simply print it out and glue the phrase on your box, only if you want, and place it where you can easily see it. Again, whatever you feel most called to do exactly that. Now step 3 is to fill your manifestation box with all the things. So here comes the fun part. In this step, you have to fill your manifestation box with all of the things that you desire. So go ahead, flip through magazines, scroll through Instagram or Pinterest, find images that set your soul on fire. Keep one thing in mind, that you don't have to limit yourself to images. Feel free to use objects, sketches, or drawings that you have made so far, or even write a description of what you desire. I strongly recommend scripting, just like I do. You can see there are a lot of paper chits in my manifestation box. I personally feel that your manifestation becomes more powerful when you do scripting. Find something that embodies what you want to see and, of course, manifest in your life. You can add the emotion you want to feel, the places you want to go, the adventures that you want to live. You can also add the picture of the person you want to be with. The possibilities are endless here. Do not afraid to dream big. Be bold, be fierce. If anything feels appealing to you, then you must put it in your manifestation box. And remember, every time you add something to your box, say out loud, "Whatever this manifestation box contains is gonna become my reality." Each time you do it, you are sending an affirmation to the universe, and your intentions will begin to draw your desires in your life. I hope you will have fun while doing it. Just feel as if universe handed you a catalog of infinite number of possibilities, and you have the opportunity to go through it and choose what you always wanted. Well, that's all for now. You guys, please leave all your comments and stories in the comments section. I'm super excited to know about how you created your manifestation box, and I can't wait to hear what amazing things you have manifested with your manifestation box. Well, thanks for watching this video, and if you think that this video is helpful to you in any way, then go and like it right now. and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates.